Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm going to be talking about Wolfram Alpha. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to show you some ways that you can use it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, it is not a search engine, it is a computational knowledge engine. Now some of you may be wondering, well, what's the difference? Well, a search engine, such as Google, when you search something on Google, it provides you with links to possible websites that may or may not address your needs. And then when you get that list of links, it's basically up to you to decide which website is relevant, which will give me the best information. Whereas Wolfram Alpha, which is a computational knowledge engine, it'll compute exact answers for you using its collection of continuously growing knowledge. So let's go ahead and see how we can use it. If you type in wolframalpha.com in the address bar, it should take you to this page. At the top, or at the very dead center of the page, you will see the search bar, where you can enter in the math problem, you can enter in a topic, you can put in a person's name and see what it spits back at you. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the myriad of topics that this computational knowledge engine covers. It covers mathematics, people and history, chemistry, astronomy. It'll go over culture and media. I believe they can cover current events. They have sports and games, transportation, and talk about web computer systems and so on. So when you have the time, I would encourage you to click on some of these and see what kind of topics you can look up and see what this computational knowledge engine will give back to you. First, let's try a simple math problem. Let's do something simple as 2 plus 2 and see what we get. Now immediately, the first thing that I noticed, and the first thing that you'll probably notice, is how organized the results are. It shows you what you input, it gives you the result, it gives you the number name, gives you the result on a number line. It shows how you can use manipulatives to show your answer, and so on. Let's click on this here and see what it gives us. Gives you that information there. Now let's go back up to the search bar and see what it'll give us when we type in something that doesn't relate to mathematics. Let's type in orange. So typically we relate that to colors, right? Oops, gave us Orange County. Let's go ahead and change that. All of this computational knowledge concerning orange. Now this one's talking about the color, but it shows you the other things that you can probably relate the word orange to, such as food, the plant, the city. Let's see what happens when we click on the food. As you can see, it gives you nutrition facts for one orange, average daily value rankings. So pretty much information that you can use in science, in math, in your nutrition classes. If we want to talk about geography, maybe we can click on the city. It's taking a little bit to compute, but it shouldn't take too long. Okay, so now they take us to Orange, California. It'll give us the city population, the urban area population, the metro area population. It'll show you where it is on the local map. The current local time, the current weather. So as you can see, this computational knowledge engine is extremely powerful. It gives you all this information whether you want it or not. And it gives it to you in a very organized fashion, which is great. You won't see all the ads and all the other things on the sides to distract you. Instead, you just get all the information that you need right in front of you. Now, that's just a small taste of how you can use Wolfram Alpha. I actually also learned another way that you can use it, not on the website, but through Google Docs. Now, if you access your Google Docs using your Google account, open up a blank page and click on Add-ons. Once you get to there, click on Get Add-ons. And in this search bar right here, you can type in Wolfram Alpha. And it's free, so go ahead and add it, allow. Okay, Wolfram Alpha for Docs. Go ahead and click on Add-ons again. Go to Wolfram Alpha for Docs and click on Open Wolfram Alpha sidebar. Now the great thing about this is you can use Google Docs and not have to switch between windows in order to either write a paper or find your research. Instead, you can go right over to the sidebar and type in exactly what you need. Let's type in Apple. As you can see, it gives us the information. Maybe if you wanted the information on the technology business, Apple, I'll give you all that. And it gives you all the information without you having to look on a different window. It's very efficient, very reliable, and extremely easy to use. And if you click on that little button that I just clicked on, it'll take you to the actual Wolfram Alpha website once again. If you want to change up your search, you can once again look at the very top. If you want the food, just click on it and it will show you the nutrition facts once again and all the information that you need. So that was a small taste of how you can use Wolfram Alpha. As you can see, it's very easy. I would encourage all of you to go ahead and experiment with it, see what you can do, see what kind of information you can find, and when you have the time, share it with the rest of us. All right.